can we conserve this land? Last day we studied about land degradation. What are the reasons for land degradation? So whether we are able to conserve this land. Land degradation, what we studied the first point, deforestation. So what is its opposite? Afforestation. By planting more and more trees, plants over here, we are able to save our land. We are able to conserve our land. While planting the trees roots will go down and they can check the soil erosion in this place. So afforestation is one of the method of land conservation. Next one is overgrazing by cattle. Here you can see a net which is kept around this tree. Why this net is kept over here? For controlling the cows. Otherwise the cow will come and eat this tree. So for checking the cattle, this net is put around this tree. This is the second point. Grazing should be controlled. But we cannot stop the food to the cows. We have to give them at any cost. So where we have to give? There should be permanent pasturing land for the cows to get their food, for the other animals to get their food. Permanent pasturing areas should be made in the different types of areas, and we should allow our cattle to eat the food from that places. So this is the second method. Overgrazing should be controlled. And what is the third one? Mining activities should be controlled. We cannot stop the mining activities because we are in need of minerals. So we have to allow the mining activities with some controls. For that the government should take the steps. The various courts should take the steps. So mining activities also should be controlled, and because of that we can save our land. Next one is industrial effluents. We should not dump the industrial waste into any places. There should be some permanent place for that also. So with the help of that, we can conserve our land. Next one is sand dunes. How can we check the sand dunes without moving? We have to plant the trees around the sand dunes, especially thorny bushes. It can check the movement of sand dunes. So this is also a method of land conservation. Next one is by adopting various agricultural methods. Various methods means terrace farming, step-by-step farming. That is one method, terrace farming. Especially in the mountainous areas, in the valley sides, we have to do the farming step by step. Cut the valleys into different steps. So this can check the soil erosion from the top to the down. If we are planting the trees in different steps of the soil, mountains, the soil will not move all of a sudden to the down. Next one is contour ploughing. What is contour ploughing? We have to find out the same altitude, same height places on the mountains, and we have to do the cultivation on that places. This is also a method we can adopt for to check the soil erosion, and by this method we can do the land conservation. Next one is strip cropping. What is strip cropping? We have to plant the plants in row wise and column wise, like a line wise. If we plant the plants in row wise and column wise, we can check the soil erosion, or this is also a method of land conservation. So like this, various methods we can adopt for land conservation. The next topic is about the soil. What are the factors which make the soil? What are the factors which influence the making of soil? First one is parent rock or the bedrock. Second one is climate. Third one is vegetation. Fourth one is the humans. Next one is microorganisms or bacteria. And the last one is time. These points I will explain to you on the next video. Thank you.